Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Nova Nasefus. Today, we're diving into the sleek and stylish 2025 Peugeot 408 GT. If you're looking for a car that combines modern design, impressive performance, and advanced technology, then stick around, because this might just be the one for you. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Peugeot 408 GT is its eye-catching design. Peugeot has gone all out with this model, giving it a bold and dynamic look. The front features a sleek grille, flanked by sharp LED headlights that give it a distinctive presence on the road. The fastback silhouette adds a touch of sportiness, while the aerodynamic lines ensure a smooth ride. The GT badge means you're getting an extra dose of sporty styling, with larger alloy wheels and unique trim details. Under the hood, the 408 GT doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with a powerful yet efficient hybrid engine, delivering a balance of performance and fuel economy. So now, the 225 horsepower output ensures you have plenty of power when you need it, making it a great option for both city driving and longer highway journeys. The 8-speed automatic transmission shifts smoothly, offering a refined driving experience. And with the hybrid powertrain, you can expect lower emissions and improved fuel efficiency, making it a more eco-friendly choice. Inside, the 2025 Peugeot 408 GT is all about luxury and technology. The cabin is spacious and comfortable with high-quality materials throughout. The seats are supportive, perfect for long drives, and there's plenty of legroom for both front and rear passengers. The highlight inside is the iCockpit, featuring a digital instrument cluster and a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system. It's packed with features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium audio system, ensuring you stay connected and entertained on the go. Safety is also a top priority in the 408 GT. Peugeot has equipped this model with a range of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These features work together to provide added peace of mind, making your drive safer and more relaxing. In summary, the 2025 Peugeot 408 GT is a well-rounded package that combines style, performance, and modern technology. Whether you're looking for a car that stands out on the road or one that offers a comfortable and tech-savvy interior, the 408 GT has a lot to offer. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews.